Hello, my name is Gary Cook. I'm the business manager of Plumbers Local 78, affiliate to the LA Orange County Building Trades. Also, a member of PV Jobs Executive Board. The Construction Management and PV Jobs wants to make sure that you understand the responsibilities of being safe on a construction project. The responsibility is yours and the construction manager and everyone working on the job site to go home at the end of the day like you came, with all your arms, legs, fingers, and toes. Walsh Shea Construction wants to make sure that you understand the responsibilities of being safe on a construction project. To demonstrate this, we'll be visiting the LA Crenshaw Metro line, currently under construction by Walsh Shea Corridor Construction, to see some of the best practices in the industry.
The goal of Walsh Shea Corridor Constructors is no one gets hurt. The project is guided by a comprehensive health and safety program that is integral to our work culture, from beginning labor to senior project managers. We at Walsh Shea Corridor Constructors are very proud of our safety record. We're currently less than half of the incident rate nationwide in the construction industry. That's accomplished through a very concerted effort.
The construction work plan, it contains everything from the initial dig alert and site investigation all the way through the final stages of the specific task at hand. We have some mandatory job training requirements that consist of the first aid, bloodborne pathogen, and CPR training, our OSHA 30-hour, as well as our crane safety, crane awareness class. One of the other things that we do from the safety perspective on the project is our daily stretch and flex activity. And they help to eliminate some of the soft tissue injuries nationwide have been so commonplace in the construction industry. The requirement to have a full-time EMT on site.
This job enables me to be able to be proactive and be there, inform, and teach our crews on health and wellness.
A significant amount of the work that we're performing is underground. We work around utilities, critical utilities such as high-pressure gas lines, fiber optic lines, large diameter water mains, as well as city storm drain and sewer facilities. So one of the most unique and challenging aspects of the Crenshaw LAX Corridor project is the project tie-in to the existing Metro Green Line.
This is our connecting part that's going to connect to the Green Line, and it's going to take us all the way down to the LAX.
Walsh Shea has a safety record that is unsurpassed by none. How we make sure we follow through that commitment is to make sure we have a site-specific orientation that typically lasts about 4 hours. We have what's called a task hazard analysis, which is in short a very short administrative tool that the frontline supervisor or foreman uses to help facilitate and coordinate communication on the crew that's doing that work.
So we list all our hazards, and then we list all the corrective measures to avoid a hazard. So that's what this is.
Our crew also practices the listen up, speak up. So if we see somebody without their gloves or their hard hat, we let them know that, hey, it's okay for you to go and let somebody know.
How that helps the crews at hand is to make sure they understand the scope of the work, and also they understand the acceptable risk of doing something. The next item that helps really help REAP, R-E-A-P, review employee actions and performance.
He makes sure he runs a thorough safety meeting every morning. It's very, we all participate in it. We make sure that we all sign the JHA.
What this does is it helps management and supervisors and the crews stay engaged in the work at all times. We not only talk about taking care of our own people, but assuring that we do. We have a little fun and we joke around a little bit, but in good professional fun, because we realize they're going home to their friends and family. It's very important that they're there in good condition for them. And at the completion of this project, as we go different ways, the intent is to make sure that we establish human bonds and relationships that go beyond visit alignments.
We're going to lower the tunnel boring machine in several pieces and assemble it down in the bottom of the station, which contains a conveyor and a ventilation system.
Well, what I'm doing right here is I'm wiring up a fan because this is for the ventilation down in the hole, so we can help all the workers down below so they can breathe. As an employee, I feel very safe because this company, they take care of me.
And I'm the gas tester for this zone right now. My job here is to provide monitoring and the air quality and airflow, providing a safe environment to all the workers around here.
I came on this project because of the unique safety requirements. One of them is that 3 of the stations in the tunnels fall under the tunnel safety orders. And California has some of the most stringent tunnel safety rules in the nation. We have welders, operators, all different types of trades and crafts. And what's unique about it is getting everybody on the same page when it comes to safety.
I'm a certified safety professional. You know, we have a team of about 9 gas testers and safety reps. We provide all the training that's required, whether it's mine rescue, first aid CPR, gas testers. They're all trained through us.
On behalf of Wells Shea, I'd like to personally thank PV Jobs for all their work in the community, making sure that we have employees get back to work safely. One thing that we did with Metro is we absorbed the contractor-controlled insurance program, which means Wells Shea is responsible for any losses on the project with regard to safety.
This video was produced to raise awareness of safety's best practices in the industry. From the board and staff of PV Jobs, please return home safely.